on a new invention today. It's not 3D printing. It's not designing stuff. It's not doing anything. Instead, it's Lego. Yeah. So guys, this is nothing like yours, but a airliner. It's a plane. Okay, it's a plane. Guys, this one looks slightly special, but it's an airliner. And guys, I'm thinking real spins. Look, to control the plane like steer. And guys, this is the back wing. This is the wing. I changed it up a little bit, and these two are a package. They are bags. They are a cargo. They are a cargo storage. They are food bags and stuff in there. And 25 parachutes. There's over 15 people in this airline, and plus thingy flyer is 16. Guys, check out my Lego Miko shirt. I will be designing more and more because you can guys buy it. But guys, link in Shopify, okay? I'll link legomiko.com, okay? Guys, merch is coming soon. Okay, guys, now playing. Okay? Guys, wait, guys, and this lady was so drunk that she crashed. She crashed the entire plane. Look.
Oh my God!
Okay. Stop screaming! Oh my God! I'm pull out the airbags. Blink can fix it off. Pilots cannot be drunk. Guys, there's engineers coming. After 3 days it will be done. Thank you guys for subscribing. Now I'm coming. One week later. Okay, now I'm not drunk. Good. Now I can be a pilot again.
Oh my God!
Wow!
Guys, behind. landed roughly, and yeah. But they all survived, and so what do you think? I'll just play it a bit, introduce this plane. It's the 1.20 version, and what do you think of it? 1 out of 10 in the comments. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy, and bye.